Let's make delicious chicken tikka masala over rice. Chicken tikka over rice. I have 2.5 pounds of the chicken breast. First thing first, we will cube it out. Make the cubes the way you like it. You want to keep it big cubes? Most welcome, keep it big. You can use chicken breast or chicken thigh meat for this. Now it's the time we will be putting some dry ingredients. Start with the cumin crushed. We will take half tablespoon of cumin, fenugreek leaves. We will do 1 whole tablespoon of the fenugreek, coriander 1 tablespoon, chili powder half tablespoon, garam masala, and here you go, we'll do 1 whole tablespoon of it. Turmeric powder. This is all the blend of spices for the tikka masala. Paprika, use smoky paprika for the smoky flavor. 1 whole tablespoon. Salt, half tablespoon. This is optional. We will use some red food color in there for the color pop. 1/4 tablespoon. All the dry ingredients are here on top of our chicken breast. Let's prepare the wet marinade now. So we'll need a blender juicer for it, 2 to 6 cloves of garlic, handful of ginger cubes. Use 50 to 60 grams of fresh ginger. We will take red onion. We are just using half of it. And here it goes. Fresh green chilies. I'm adding 4 or 5 of them. 1 whole cup of the olive oil. It goes in your blender juicer. 1 fresh lemon. It will help in the acidity and it will create a little bit tangy flavor in there. And half cup of white distilled vinegar. Just like that. These are all the ingredients which is needed to make this delicious tikka masala. Let's blend this. Here you go. Our smoothie blend is completely ready and it goes all on top. Alright, one more ingredient, let me tell you about that. If you want the creamy texture, you want the creamy gravy and the creamy masala, use yogurt. This is the must for it. Here you go. 3 tablespoons of yogurt to bring the creaminess, the texture, the smoothness in your tikka masala. Moment of truth. Give it a mix. After mixing it for a couple minutes, this is your chunky tikka masala chicken cubes. They are completely ready. Once you do that, you don't have to put it for marinade because we are making this a masala. You grab this whole thing. This is non-stick cast iron pan and it goes in here. I'm making sure I get all the marinade in here. All the tikka masala, the 2.5 pounds of the chicken and the marinade is on the stove at 350 degrees. We will cook this meat at least until the chunks are cooked. Let's make the rice in rice cooker because we're gonna be having a bed of white rice and the tikka masala on top. So if you see the masala has started to bubbling up, jumping up, cover it with the lid so you don't make a mess. For the rice cooker is here. We will take 2 cups of rice, half cup of the olive oil, 1 tablespoon of the salt, 4 cups of water. Let's give it a mix. These are plain white rice, plain basmati white rice. Close this. It's on the cook. It's going to take 15 to 20 minutes. So this is after 15 minutes. We added rice. Our rice are cooking. Our tikka masala is cooking. This is the bell pepper for the final touches. Let's take a look. I haven't done anything to it. Look at this, 15 minutes. And this is the first stir in here. Look at these pieces. Oh my God, they are so aromatic. At this stage, you can taste test. everything is perfect about it. It will bump up your tikka masala. So the cubes goes in here, 5 fresh green chilies, they go all in here. Let's give it a mix. So now, once we added the bell pepper and the green chilies, we will just cover it again. We will put it on medium to simmer, and next 15 minutes it's gonna be cooking like this. 30 minutes later, our delicious tikka masala is ready. Our rice in the rice cooker, they are ready. This will be the better fries for the tikka masala. Here you go, delicious tikka masala is completely ready. Let's take some cilantro. Let's make a sweet yogurt which goes on top as a topping. I have chopped up some salad, plain yogurt. We'll take 4 tablespoons, some dill seeds, 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar, half cup of water goes in here. This is the sweet yogurt with dill weed in it. It goes perfect with the combo with the tikka masala and the rice. Bed of rice. The bed of rice is ready. Here is the tikka masala. Healthy portion of the tikka masala. And this is the moment of truth. Yum. We are done with our delicious high protein tikka masala over rice bowl. This is the taste test. Yeah, we all like this part, right? So as a chef test, let's grab the tikka masala chicken, which is hot, but still, this is it. Perfectly done. Just the chicken test. Homemade, fresh ingredients. This is delicious. The tikka masala. This is just so good. Chicken tikka masala over rice. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Fresh ingredients, real chicken breast, tikka masala, saucy, flavorful, finger licking good.